something. Maybe a light in there. There's a light in there that's blinking. And that's it. Tries to power up, but it's all broke. So, let's tear it down. Okay, so now that we've removed all of the unnecessary components, we're basically left with a steel box, a light diffusing panel, a power supply unit, the control board, and a power switch. So obviously we're going to need the power supply because that's going to operate the LED lights that are inside this panel. We could just use a standard 2-prong power plug and connect into the power supply. But because of the way this TV is wired, we're still going to need these two components. And all they're really doing is sending a signal back to the power supply to turn on the LED lights. We need this one for the power switch and this board to send the signal back to the power supply to turn on the lights. So there you have it, turning an old flat panel TV into a light box. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.